The automotive industry has a people problem. A wave of experienced technicians are nearing retirement, but the next wave of workers isn't big enough to replace them. Now, the industry needs tens of thousands of jobs filled every year. Training programs aren't producing enough graduates, and people are keeping their vehicles longer. So, how do shops like yours reach the next generation before the labor gap gets even wider? Let's talk about that next. Recruiting the next generation of technicians starts with meeting them where they are. And that may include a group you might not expect, like recent college graduates. A lot of young people are leaving college and finding a crowded job market, especially as AI and technology continue to change entry-level work. Some of those graduates are open to a new path, especially if that path offers good pay, stability, and a skill that's in demand. That's where employee-sponsored training and formal apprenticeship programs can make a huge difference. The next generation is craving purpose. They don't want to feel like they're simply clocking out and clocking in. They want to understand who they're helping and why the work that they do is important. So your job postings need to say more than automotive technician wanted. Explain the mission. Cars are part of everyday life, and technicians help keep people moving. You're not just hiring someone to turn wrenches. You're hiring someone to keep people's wheels rolling. Young workers are used to quick options and fast change. If they don't like where they are, they may leave instead of sticking it out. That means shops have to be intentional about creating a positive workplace. Ask about their lives, build real relationships, host team events, help employees feel comfortable with each other and connected to the shop. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.